We welcome you all to the second edition of the Global Silk Fest. This will be the last video for this second edition, and we are going to see some very exclusive Kanjivaram brocades and tissues in this video. Let's get started. This one is a lovely and a traditional shade of maroon. It's a beautiful brocade Kanjivaram silk saree with rich zari woven borders in geometric pattern on either sides, with intricately woven floral pattern along with annam weaves that runs throughout the body. A rich self pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in maroon, priced at 22,250. Purple, a lovely and a classic Kanjivaram with rich zari woven borders and 2 gram golden zari weaving on either sides. The body has got Laria style leaf brocade weaving in gold and silver zari alternating throughout the sari, giving it a very rich and a unique look. A rich self pallu, gold and silver mix zari weaving, and a matching blouse in purple, priced at 26,190. This one is a teal silver tissue sari, a very unique and a beautiful sari with rich bavanji borders on either sides, very pretty and classy floral weaves on top of silver tissue that runs throughout the body. A rich self pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching blouse in teal, priced at 17,990. This one is a perfect bridal Kanjivaram, a beautiful tissue sari with rich korvai weaving on either sides and 2 gram golden zari weaving with very pretty korvai border along the top part with intricately woven floral design along the bottom part of the sari. The highlight of the sari is the designs in the body. If you take a closer look, this has got a golden tissue body with very pretty geometric buttas woven in silver zari that just elevates the look of the sari, looking very rich and elegant. A contrast pallu, Kanjivaram pallu, and a matching tissue blouse in pink, priced at 31,650. Lime green with red, one more beautiful brocade Kanjivaram with korvai borders on either sides, very pretty floral brocade weaving that runs all over the sari with a very rich look. This has got a contrast rich pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching self-embossed blouse in red, priced at 29,350. Blue with purple, one more beautiful sari in brocade Kanjivaram with contrast korvai borders on either sides with mile chakram and intricately woven geometric pattern that runs on both sides of the borders with very pretty floral and geometric brocade weaving that runs in the body. A contrast pallu, that's the pallu, Kanjivaram pallu, and a matching blouse in purple, priced at 21,490. All these are double and triple warp hand woven silk saris, beautiful and pure Kanjivaram silk saris in brocades and tissue weaving. We have in single tones in contrast color combination, mix of gold and silver zari weaving, very intricately woven patterns that are perfect to carry for the modern day brides. These saris are very classy and elegant for your special day. You can shop for this collection online at www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. With this, we are coming to an end of the second edition of the Global Silk Fest. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.